What's up, guys? So this is a really quick one. Uh, International unmanned aircraft system operations. A person shall not conduct an unmanned aircraft system flight commencing at a place within Kenya and terminating at a place outside Kenya without authorization from the state of the destination or any other state over whose airspace the unmanned aircraft system shall fly. Or, that was a bad one. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, there is also another one. Or commencing at a place outside Kenya and terminating at a place within Kenya, or overflying the Kenyan airspace without the authorization of the authority. You got that? You cannot fly a drone starting from Kenya, like the flight. The liftoff is from Kenya, and maybe you end or you land the drone in another country that Kenya has no authority over. So like where generally this rule says this: you cannot fly a drone starting from Kenya and end the flight a place outside Kenya. Like all drone, whether you have if you have a license or a permit or a certificate that has been issued by the Kenyan authorities, that permits you only to fly a drone within the Kenyan borders. Okay, so you cannot fly a drone outside Kenyan borders without the authorization of that place where the authority there. So if it is other countries, our neighbors, our allies, our strategic partners, yeah, you cannot fly a drone into their areas or into their countries without their authority or without the authority of the Kenya KCAA. Yeah, Kenya Commercial Authority, whatever. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have watched this series. Yeah, that is just a quick one that I just found out and I saw it is important. So most of these rules, there are some rules that I won't touch. I won't like go over, guys, because yeah, it just says that there are some things that you cannot do without the authorization of the authority. Yeah, most things like firing of flight plans, it must be permitted, and all those things. There are some normal things that you must do that the authority must pass over. Those are the things that I won't like tackle and everything. But thank you guys for watching. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like my content, guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and yeah, I really appreciate you. It will really support my channel, and it will really support my content. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.